Hello YouTube, and welcome to Chef John Cooks. My name's Chef John, and today I'm going to show you how I make arrabbiata sauce. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash that like button and subscribe to follow me for more. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Start with vegetable oil in a smoking hot pan and add the carrots. Once the carrots are caramelized, go ahead and add the celery and allow to cook. Once you start getting some color on the celery, it's time to add some onions. Cook those and allow to caramelize. When your onions have started to caramelize, go ahead and add your peppers. We're using mixed peppers, bananas, serranos, jalapenos, and poblanos. Once your peppers have cooked down, add a little bit more oil if necessary, and then go ahead and add your garlic and allow that to fry in the oil. When your garlic begins to caramelize, go ahead and mix it in with the rest of your vegetables and allow to cook. At this point, I like to remove the vegetables from the pot, replace the pot on the stove, add some more oil, and allow it to get hot again. Once the pan is back to the oil smoke point, I'm going to go ahead and add my fresh tomatoes and allow them to caramelize. Allow the tomatoes to cook until a lot of the moisture and water starts to come out in the tomatoes. It's at this point I go ahead and add the rest of my vegetables and stir them in. I'm also going to add about 3 cups of water. Our next step is to add our dry herbs. We're going to start with crushed red pepper, granulated garlic, and dry oregano. After several hours of cooking, our vegetables are softened and ready to be mashed. I like to use a potato masher to smash the vegetables into a puree versus using a blender. When you use a blender and you puree it, you're adding air to the sauce, and generally you end up with more of an orange sauce versus red. Once you have well blended the vegetables, we're going to continue to cook the sauce for another couple hours to get our desired consistency. At this point, our sauce is getting a nice thick consistency. It has a beautiful color, and it's ready to go ahead and add the fresh herbs. We're going to finish our sauce with some fresh herbs. So we're going to chiffonade the basil. Then we're going to pick and mince some fresh thyme. Now we're going to add our fresh herbs to the pot. I'd say that's pretty good. We're just going to let that cook down just a little bit, and that'll be it. One of my favorite ways to use it is to top it on some masticholi, a little bit of steamed broccoli, and some pecorino romano. Absolutely amazing, easy, quick dish to make. Go ahead and try the sauce, see how it came out. Oh, wow. When you get it right, what we're looking for is that sweet, salty balance, good amount of tomato, herbs, and that nice pepper background. Thank you. Subscribe for more.